We just got to Osaka. Got our room, and Avery wants to do a little room tour because she thinks the room's pretty cool. So let's go.
Welcome to our room. Come inside. Come inside. It's fun inside. Okay, so first there's a little room. There's like a little room where you take your shoes off. Because like in Japan, you have to like, I guess it's rude to walk into a house or a room with your shoes on. So everybody
Has slippers.
has slippers. And they wear slippers everywhere.
Yeah. Except us.
Yeah.
We just go with socks.
Yeah. Okay. Let's go into our actual room. Okay.
I'm coming.
First, we have our coffee table. And also, before you go, you get like a care basket.
Well, it's not a care basket. Pretty much,
You get to pick your own stuff.
yes, there's all sorts of stuff they have down there. Like
tongue scrapers.
yeah, tongue scrapers. What do they got?
Snore things so that
Yeah.
my dad won't snore.
I don't snore.
Yes, you do.
You lie.
I can literally show them a video right now.
Okay, I've never heard. Okay, that's okay. I'll leave that alone.
Bubble bath stuff, like honey scrub.
Yeah, like a loofah.
Yeah.
They have like stuff like deodorant stuff for like your shoes.
Yeah.
I mean, literally like combs, brushes. Like they have everything. It's insane how much stuff they have. It's all free. Just take what you need. All free. Whatever.
Also, we have TV,
TV.
microwave,
Hey.
DVD player.
Yes, DVD player. You know, nice and new.
Yep.
Nice and new.
What's in here?
I don't know. Find out. Is it open?
Nope.
Is this open? Oh, fridge.
The mini fridge.
Little fridge.
And then
A humidifier.
coffee maker.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Alright.
Look at this closet.
Got a closet. Nope. Little closet.
Tiniest closet I've ever seen.
Every single room we've been to here, they always have this. It's like,
Bro, it's room refresher.
yeah, it's like Japanese Febreze. But they have it in every single hotel room I've been to. They have that.
It smells like shoes. It smells like new shoes. That's what it smells like.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
Next,
So,
most importantly, massage chair.
massage chair in the room.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, Avery, show them your PJs they give you.
Oh yeah, and also I give you PJs.
Yes. Downstairs, pick out your own PJs.
Yeah. And then
Air conditioner, gotta have it because it is like 98 degrees outside. It is crazy hot. You sweat
beds.
everywhere.
oh yeah.
2 beds, which 2 beds together, I mean, honestly,
They should have just made the big bed.
yeah, but I mean, honestly, this is a big hotel room for, I mean, for Japan. They're never big rooms.
You have to take like a big step up.
All right, big step up, bathroom tour.
Okay, so you have. They always give you a hairbrush every time, and then the sink. This is like the biggest bathroom I've ever seen in Japan. Sink. I don't know what that is. Actual bathroom. The toilet, it's motion censored, so it'll open by itself.
Opens on its own.
Closes on its own.
Heated seat.
Yep.
Look, you got controls.
Bidet, sound.
Sound, so when you're crapping. Oh, water so you can go pee-pee. Look at that. Got a wash your old booty hole and other holes.
And also so that. Stop. That's nice.
Alright.
Now we have the shower is like
And the bath.
right here.
That's where you take a shower. Yep.
Seat. Bathtub with the TV.
Alright, get in there. Show them how like deep they are. All the bathtubs here are deep.
And also they have jets. I never knew they had jets. I just noticed that. This is a little seat. I can sit here.
No, this one's got 2 jets in it. So,
Yeah.
alright.
Here. Yeah.
So, that was a room tour. We just got here. We're going to, guess, get ready.
We're gonna
Go.
We're gonna
Gonna go to the aquarium. It's Osaka Aquarium. Supposedly they have the biggest like tank in the world. It's supposed to be one of the best.
Doesn't it have like sharks in it and stuff?
Yeah, no, they have a whale shark.
It can fit like.
It can fit a whale shark, which is they're crazy huge.
Yeah.
So, I want to go there. After that, coming back, I'm gonna use this bad boy, and then we'll show some of the other amenities of the hotel. Like what they got. They got a pool table, free pool, free darts. They have an arcade that's free.
Yeah, they have ball pit.
Yeah, they got like a ball pit. They got all sorts of stuff for kids. Like this hotel's kind of made for kids. And they got free beer later too, so you know I'm in. All right. Bye bye.